The curtains are rising, the stage is set, and the performers are ready. The moment we all have been waiting for is finally here. So sit back, fasten your seat belts, and now get ready to be teleported into an enchanted realm of magic. I'm also very happy to announce that this performance by our dearest Shem Stars are the recipients of Best Dance Award in the Book Fair of 2024.
শংকৰদেৱ আৰু মাধৱদেৱ অসমৰ দুই পাহৰিব নোৱাৰা মহাপুৰুষ। শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ আৰু শ্ৰী শ্ৰী মাধৱদেৱক স্মৰণ নকৰাকৈ আমি আমাৰ প্ৰদৰ্শন আৰম্ভ কেনেকৈ কৰোঁ? ভতিমা বহু প্ৰকাৰ আছে। তাৰে ভিতৰত আজি আমাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে পৰিৱেশন কৰিবলৈ লৈছে এটি দেৱভতিমা। আহক আমি সকলোৱে মিলি এই অনুষ্ঠানটি উপভোগ কৰোঁ।
Thank you for watching. Here is what I would really appreciate you doing if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Spread the word to your mates. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we post a new video.